So I absolutely love taking 360-degree shots like this one, and you're probably going to see so many more of these in my vlogs. And I just really like to look at them once I'm back home, because I don't want to experience this moment just this one time. So this is the place that I wanted to show you guys, and it is really pretty, and I'll just show you guys. The view from here is amazing. But the fascinating thing about this place is this. I don't really know the purpose of this, but it's really soothing to look at. It's really beautiful as well. So this is where it comes from, as I've shown you in the video, and this is where it goes. It just keeps going down like that, and to some other place, to its next destination, wherever it feels like going. And I'll make sure that in this video I will make someone explain what this place is, and maybe just some insights about where it is, what it is, so that if in case you guys plan a trip to Coorg, you can come here and experience this. Maybe someday I'll come back to this place and I'll get to put a table down over here and have a meal with my loved ones and the people I would like to share this moment with. Just being here, it's really pretty. I wish I could, maybe someday in the future I will try to make it happen. But as of now, I just really like imagining that as well. And I hope you guys can imagine your scenario. Maybe you guys would like to take a dip in the lake, or maybe you guys would like to do something else. And just imagine it, because even if you can't do it right now, you can feel happy just by imagining it.
Hey guys, I hope you guys saw the vlog with Jay shot, and the place which you guys saw on the video, it's named as Chikli Ole. So it's a small reservoir. So in rainy season we store water there, and so it gets filled, and that's how it's built. So what you saw, the water flowing kind of ridge there, it's a small dam kind of thing. So from where the water flows, and it's distributed through the channels within the villages around this place. So it's a small reservoir. So when in the rainy season, when it rains, we store the water here and we use it till the summers and till the next rain comes.
Alright, we'll see you from the next destination.
So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leave when you fall, but you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulder, keep my head up. Now baby, stand up.
So B and J are back. So this place is the backwater. It's tributary of Kaveri river, and water flow from various sources. The one which we saw just now, even from there it flows. I told you about the channels, right? So a lot of channels around this nearby villages where water is collected. So all this water comes to this place where it's a backwater of a dam. So we have a dam ahead. If you can show this side, so that side it goes, and we have a dam. There are 4 gates. So only if we open these dams here, the water reaches KRS, which is in Mysore, Krishnarajasagar, that dam. So it goes from here till Mysore. From Mysore it goes to Tamil Nadu. So Kaveri, this is it's called Ganga of South, Kaveri.
So very interesting and very pretty as well.